Okay, so I think yeah, 5 minutes have gone by and there are 7 participants. So if more people want to join in, I'll admit them as per they join. So okay, my name is Rashi Chaudhary. Okay, I am a recent graduate from MIT World Peace University, and I have graduated in the subject of political science honors. And this is my first day interning. I am also an intern here in the IIS PPR, and this is my first day as an intern, in which this is my first session that I'm conducting. So, as you all have must have already read the topic, it's about business communication. So, is this your first class of communication or business communication, or have you attended previous classes also related to this topic? Can anyone please let me know?
It's my first.
Okay, and everyone else, सबके लिए ये पहला क्लास है क्या? Communication.
Yes.
Okay, okay, great. So, uh, are you all comfortable with me talking in English or Hindi में भी मैं बात कर सकती हूँ? Anything that you're comfortable in, we just want to learn.
No, comfortable with both.
Okay, so yeah, I have gotten a message that yeah, the connection is unstable. Please give me the summary. Okay. Okay, so see, today we're going to basically learn about what in communication is and what is business communication and what we're going to learn further in this course. And there are many activities also that I have in mind as a framework. After performing these activities, we can polish our communication skills. And this is about business communication. So the structure of this course will be focused on business communication mainly. But before we proceed to business communication, we'll get a brief idea about what is communication, the nature and scope of communication, the importance of communication, methods, types, and everything. So I'll teach. I'm not going to teach per se. This is because this is a communication class. So I am expecting that every participant has to be communicative. They have to be interactive with me, because that is the difference between communication and talking. Talking is that when one person talks and other listens. Communication may we exchange ideas and we interact in a very casual sort of a manner. So as we're going to learn about communication, can someone just let me know English में या हिंदी में कि आपको communication से क्या समझ आता है? What do you understand by communication?
The communication, as you said, is a method of exchanging thoughts and views
Yeah, exactly.
between
Very,
two
very,
persons or more.
yeah, exactly. So if okay, I had to ask this, that if anyone is not comfortable, I mean, if anyone is comfortable switching on their videos, they can go ahead. और अगर आप comfortable नहीं हो तो फिर ये भी मुझे चलेगा. I am not that ऐसे. I have also been through this online lecture sort of a thing where teachers force us to switch on their videos even if we are not comfortable. So those who are comfortable with turning on their videos, they can. Otherwise, this is fine as well. Okay, great. So as Mehek Khandelwal, okay. So she said that communication is about exchanging ideas and between two or more people. So you get exactly, this is about exchanging of thoughts and ideas and any sort of a message. So communication happens between two channels, the sender and the receiver. Okay, the sender sends something, a message or an idea in form of either words or sentences, phrases, okay, anything. And even when you learn about non-verbal communication, we talk through our, there are non-verbal cues like hand gestures are there, or head nodding is there, or eye contact is there. And there are unwritten form of communication, written form of communication, जिसके through हम एक message या एक idea हम send करते हैं as a sender, and then the receiver, they receive the message that we are sending, and then he or she proceeds or builds up on that point. And that way, when the exchange happens, that is communication. So it's very simple. Now why do you feel that communication is important? Why is it something that we have to conduct a session on? We communicate very often. अभी हम एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं, आप अपने दोस्तों से बात करते हैं, आप अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करते हैं, you talk with your teachers, with your colleagues, and so many people. But still, why do you feel that communication is so important that we have to learn it as a different subject entirely? Any idea?
in order to communicate our message like more effectively.
Exactly. So supposedly, so you are in a place where you, yeah, this is something that has happened with all of us. You are in a class and you have certain doubt with your teacher, right? And when you're asking her a doubt, she is just ignoring you for some purposes, like either she's busy checking something, or either she's busy talking to other classmates or something, other students, and you're just asking ki ma'am mujhe ye doubt hai, and she's not clearing it up. So you will directly say कि ये मैम का ना कम्युनिकेशन बहुत पुअर है, हम जो बोल रहे हैं वो सुनते ही नहीं है. And that is why even it happens between, you know, interpersonal relationships also, that we are sharing our feelings or we are expressing something to someone, but we don't get the same energy or the same reply, or there's no reciprocity in particular. तो हम उसको बोलते हैं कि ना ये इंसान बहुत अच्छे हैं लेकिन इनका ना कम्युनिकेशन बहुत पुअर है, इनको बातचीत करना नहीं आता. That is why communication is so important. Okay, and when we talk about business communication, yeah, so when we talk about business communication, business is about buying and selling. Okay, and you cannot buy or sell any product or any idea without communicating first. So, and yeah, the main rule of communication is, the main rule to effective communication is that you have to leave one aspect from your personality, that is hesitation. If you are hesitant, अगर आपको किसी चीज में झिझक है, आप बात नहीं कर पा रहे, आप शेयर नहीं कर पा रहे, तो उसको धीरे धीरे करके you have to get over that hesitation in order to communicate effectively. So even for example, right now I can see that only one person is answering the questions, only one person is interactive. Is it because that you all are not comfortable enough to answer or to talk in the class or something, or is it because you're not getting a chance to speak, or is it because you're not listening at all? Any reason that is there, if you are learning communication, you have to leave your hesitation. And I am not that teacher sort of a person जो ऐसे strictly है कि नहीं सबको answer करना ही है. This is not a class. This is a class, or this is a lecture, or this is a session of communication. So here we communicate within ourselves to learn कि अच्छा communication होता क्या है. Communication is such a wide subject, it's such a wide area that no one is perfect when it comes to learning communication. So when I am saying something about communication, I am also learning simultaneously with you guys. So be as free as you can. अगर आपको कुछ भी बोलना है, you want to add up on my point, or just want to say कि ऐसे राशि आपने ये मिस कर दिया ये point या ऐसे, तो आप बोल सकते हो freely. This is just like a very discursive sort of a class, or very discursive sort of a session. Okay, so please don't be hesitant while communicating. This non-hesitation wala factor is going to help you as many times as you communicate with others. Okay, and okay, so what I have decided is that we are going to learn many sorts of communication. That is communication ka hum definition padhenge. Then we learn about the importance and purpose of communication, then the process of communication, types of communication. These are the 4 basic things that everyone should know when it comes to communication. And after we learn everything, then afterwards we'll proceed to what is business communication. But just to give you a brief idea about what business communication is. Okay, so if you're noting something down, I will provide you guys notes anyway, so you'll get the notes in your groups. Okay, and but even if you're noting down or you want to pay attention, so this is like a standard definition of what business communication is. Okay, so the process of transferring information from one person to other within and outside the business environment, that is termed as business communication. Okay, within and outside the business environment हम क्यों कहते हैं, क्योंकि business communication वो थोड़ा एक communication का एक professional stage जैसा होता है. When we talk about communication, communication can be of so many types. It can be professional or casual or interpersonal, horizontal, vertical. Over the period of time, we're going to learn about what these communication types are. But business communication में professionalism matters a lot. मतलब आप किससे बात कर रहे हैं, आप कैसे बात करें, किस तरह से, because मेन बिकॉज कम्युनिकेशन, बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन से आपके अलग अलग डील्स, आपके आइडियाज को इफेक्टिवली पहुंचाने का तरीका, वो सब बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन में बहुत मैटर करता है, क्योंकि उस कम्युनिकेशन के बेसिस पे बिजनेस चलता है. Okay, let me give you a very basic example. So I am from Gujarat, right? And everyone of us, they know that Gujarat is known for business. Okay, and our beloved prime minister also, but that's not the point. Gujarat is known for business, and business करने के लिए यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग आते हैं, जो हमारे क्लाइंट्स होते हैं या जो से यहाँ के मैन्युफैक्चरर्स होते हैं, बिजनेसमैन होते हैं, वो सब कम्युनिकेशन को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं. पर यहाँ का कम्युनिकेशन है ना, वो थोड़ा अलग होता है. इन गुजरात द बिजनेस डील्स, they can be done in big conference rooms as well as in little पान दुकान, like we see पान के shops जो होते हैं, छोटे छोटे गल्ले होते हैं, वहां पे भी कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि बिजनेस में यहाँ पे एक ही चीज मैटर करता है कि आप किससे कितने इफेक्टिवली कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पर्सन यू आर डीलिंग विद. ओके, सो व्हेन यू टॉक टू समवन, यहाँ पे एक चीज है कि यहाँ पे बिजनेसमैन, दे आर बिजनेसमैन जो है, दे आर नॉट नेसेसरीली एजुकेटेड. जिनके पास, हर एक बिजनेसमैन के पास एमबीए है, एमबीए की डिग्री है, दैट इज नॉट द थिंग हियर इन गुजरात. Everyone can be a businessman if they have the talent, or if they have that business wala quality in them. So that is how we decide कि अच्छा मेरे पास ये set of people है, तो मैं उनसे कैसे बात करके इनको अपना client बनाऊं या मैं इनसे deal करूं, या if I have a very high-fi sort of a personality in front of me. Okay, here when you talk to Mukesh Ambani or Anil Ambani for okay, any communication sort of thing, you won't do it in a pan ka galla sort of a thing. You will go into their office, you'll create a PowerPoint presentation, and then you'll present yourself in a manner in which they get impressed, because they are a big multinational company. बट अगर आप कोई मोरबी या जूनागढ़ के बिजनेसमैन से डील कर रहे हैं, तो उनसे आपका कम्युनिकेशन का स्टाइल थोड़ा डिफरेंट होगा. Okay, so business communication is also a very wide area in its own, manner, and we are going to learn about all of this. So one activity that I have planned, we are not going to do it today, we are going to do it after we learn many aspects of communication, is that we will perform skits. Okay, I'll also take part in this activity, और हम ऐसे अपने आप को groups में divide करेंगे, and then we will be given a topic. Okay, and then on that topic we have to design an entire communication process कि हम किससे कैसे बात करेंगे. So for example, one group will be allotted the topic of that you have to strike a deal for selling your chocolates. Okay, to a little target audience, to a group of people, small people. एक को दिया जाएगा कि आपको अपने एज ग्रुप के लोगों के साथ, आप एक सीनियर सिटीजन के एज ग्रुप के लोग के साथ है, और उनको आपको अपना एक प्रोडक्ट सेल करना है, तो आप उनसे कैसे कम्युनिकेट करेंगे. ऐसे हम डिफरेंट स्किट्स परफॉर्म करेंगे ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, एंड इट विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन. ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव बीन देयर, इट इज सो मच फन कि मुझे आपके साथ फिर से वो करना है. Okay, so business communication है या communication है, that is very easy. Okay, if for example, let's start by introducing ourselves. So when I introduce myself as like, okay, so hello, I'm Rashi Chaudhary, I'm a recent graduate from this university. I have pursued my graduation in this subject, and you add up some hobbies also, like my hobbies are singing and dancing and reading and speaking, communicating, and communication also happens to be my strength. So that is how you introduce yourself. So let's do something very basic in which you all introduce yourselves to me. How okay, I can see many names here: Achal, Arushi, then Balraj, Harshita, and many names are there here in my participants list, but I don't know how you look like, what you sound like, and what you like to do, why are you here. So aap kahan se ho, just give me a basic introduction of yourself. This is like the first task. Itna basic hai communication ka pehla task. Okay, so who would like to go first while introducing themselves? कोई भी आ जाओ, सब एक दूसरे को.
Shall I?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Mehak Khandelwal from Delhi. I'm a final year undergraduate student pursuing economics honors degree, and yeah, that's about me. As for my hobbies, I love to read. I like journaling, biking, and yeah. That's it.
Oh,
Thank you.
excellent. You like journaling? Please teach me also. My art skills are horrible. Horrible. I mean, this is one
Yeah.
thing that I am not, I cannot find my forte in. That is art and journaling. But I love to see what you have journaled so far. Okay. So
Yeah, sure.
yeah, who's next?
Hello everyone, my name is Samiksha and I am from Lucknow, and currently I am in third year. I am pursuing BBA from here only Lucknow, and as for my hobbies, I like gaming, and yeah,
That is
that's
nice.
it.
From Lucknow, I'll also visit you someday. Are you buy me some chicken curry kurta also?
Yeah, sure, sure.
May I, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Yes. Hello, I'm
Yeah.
Achal. Hello. Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, Anchal, you're audible.
Yes. First of all, thank you, ma'am, for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Achal Mahajan. I'm a hardworking engineering student of first year, specialized in computer science engineering in Bachelor of Technology. My goal is to build a successful career in my life. Talking about my strength is I prefer to complete my work before time. Also, my positive attitude, punctuality. Yeah, that's all. And as well, my weakness is my emotional nature. I face trouble to say no. My greatest weakness is my commitment towards my work. Yeah, ma'am, that's it.
Yeah, I can understand your weakness is also my weakness, that I have a very hard time saying no to people. But that is a good thing also. Sometimes people don't consider you badtameez then if you don't say no
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
them. So that is a good thing.
Yeah.
सब कुछ limit में चलता है. Okay, so who's next?
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Shivam Kumar. I am from Bihar. Currently, I am pursuing MBA in GGMS College, Begusai. And my hobby is playing cricket and reading books. And that's all, ma'am.
Very nice. Yeah, Shivam, I am also from Bihar. You know that I have been just born and brought up in Gujarat, but I am from Darbhanga in reality. I visit Darbhanga at least
Nice, ma'am.
twice a year in Chhat Puja and summer vacation. But I have been born and brought
Yes,
up
ma'am.
in Gujarat, so I identify myself as both Gujarati and Bihari also. Great people. We
Oh,
are
thank
from all over.
Oh, great, ma'am.
Yeah. So who's next?
Okay, ma'am.
Arushi, are you trying to say something? Because you're not clear and there's a lot of static sound from your end. या आरुषि आई थिंक आपको ना माइक वगैरह थोड़ा निकाल, अगर आप ईयरफोन्स यूज कर रहे हो ना तो थोड़े डिस्कनेक्ट कर दो और उसके बाद आप बोलने का ट्राई करो, वरना ना एक बार आप फिर से म्यूट और अनम्यूट करके देखो, क्योंकि है ना अभी वैसे लग रहा है कि माइक के फटने का आवाज आ रहा है.
Hello.
Yeah, now you're audible. Hi.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Arushi Sharma. I'm a second year BSc Biotechnology student. Currently, I'm pursuing biotechnology from Banasthali, Rajasthan. And I'm from Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh. My hobbies are reading, cooking, and playing badminton. Thank you.
Wow, great. Very nice to know. Okay, so who's left now? Shiva. I can see someone named Shiva here.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
So hello everyone. My name is Shiva Moini. I am actually pursuing graduation from Banasthali Vidyapeeth. My subjects are psychology, textile designing, and sociology. My basic hobbies are sports and reading thrillers.
Wow, yaar, excellent. Reading crime thrillers. Wow, very good. So yeah, your subjects are also very interesting. That's very nice of you to study psychology and sociology and everything. Very interesting. Okay, so okay, I have here
Thank you, ma'am.
someone named Kushank Yaduvanshi.
Hello,
Hello.
ma'am. I am Kushank Yadav from Rajasthan. I am pursuing BSc first year. My
Great.
hobbies playing and reading.
Very nice. What do you play, Kushank? Is it
Cricket.
cricket? Wow, yeah, very nice. I'm very interested in cricket. We follow it very deeply. Okay, so who is left now? Harshita Bindal, have you introduced yourself?
Hello guys, my name is Harshita and I'm in the final year of graduation. I'm doing BCom and I love music, reading and writing. My main hobby is sleeping.
Same here. You know, I love sleep more than anything. I love sleeping and eating so much. I can spend my entire life doing it. अगर ऐसा कोई job होता ना इंडिया में अच्छा job जो सोने और खाने के पैसे मिलते मैं तो वही job कर रही होती. Yes, so राकेश आप इंट्रोड्यूस
ये तो सब करना चाहेंगे.
काश इतना आसान होता. Okay, so Farhad Hussain, can you introduce yourself?
So hello, this side myself Farhad Hussain. I am from Assam, Guwahati, and right now I am pursuing graduation in political science, and as well as with political science, I am an NCC cadet too, and a part-time volunteer who is undergone through some social activities, as well as I'm doing certain internship also, and that's all from my side. And nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too. Amazing. You're studying political science. That is the most amazing subject you study. I have completed my entire graduation in it, and I'm still not satisfied. कि अभी मुझे इतना मन नहीं भरा और पढ़ना है और पढ़ना. So I'm even pursuing my masters in political science. Amazing.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice.
Okay, so who do we have next? अभी तक कौन बाकी है जिसने नहीं किया अपने आप को introduce? Naz? Is Naz here? Yeah, I see someone named Lalita जिसने अभी join किया है. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, my name is Lalita. I'm coming from Coimbatore. Currently pursuing a BCom e-commerce second year in PSGR Krishnamal College.
Great. Very nice. So yeah, so we are all basically, I think, the same age. Everyone must be from 18 to 21 years of age. I think itne se itne beech mein honge. So it's not necessary if you all call me ma'am. You can call me Rashi. You can call me anything that you like. You can even call me ऐसे कुछ भी बुला सकते हो मुझे. दोस्त बुलाओ, जैसे ऐसे नाम से बुलाना है, hi hello करके बुलाना है, कुछ भी बुलाओ. Just be comfortable. Okay, so if anyone is left to introduce, ये सब हो गए. Okay, yeah, we have some.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
This is Rakesh Mato from Jharkhand. I currently pursuing in BCom honors, and my hobbies are playing badminton and drawing, and I am also a part of National Social Service. Thank you.
Amazing. Very nice to know. Okay, so we have someone named Balraj here. Can you introduce yourself, please? I think he cannot hear me or something. Okay, moving on. So we just did our first exercise very successfully. I asked you something and you answered it amazingly, keeping all the points in mind. So this is the first step to communication. हम किसी से भी बात करने जाते हैं तो directly हम बात करना शुरू नहीं कर देते. We introduce ourselves कि ऐसे greetings from my side. I'm Rashi. और I'm Samiksha, or I'm Shiva, or I'm Naz, ऐसे हम करके introduce करते हैं. So that is an amazing quality. किसी भी बात कर क्या होता है when you introduce yourself, okay, and when you see that where the other person is from, you establish a foundation of comfort for communicating. तो ये introduction का इतना importance है. ठीक है, आपको पता चलता है कि आप किससे डील कर रहे हो. नाउ इफ आई वांट टू टॉक टू समवन हु इज इंटरेस्टेड इन म्यूजिक और उसने मुझे बताया कि अच्छा माय हॉबीज आर इन म्यूजिक, सो आई स्ट्राइक अप अ कन्वर्सेशन जिसमें म्यूजिक का कुछ हो. इससे एक इजी क्या बोलते हैं वो बन जाता है कि हम आराम से उनके साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. बातों ही बातों में वी कैन कन्विंस देम अबाउट आवर आइडियाज एंड अबाउट आवर थॉट्स. ओके, समवन हैज आस्क्ड मी where am I from? Okay, I'm from Gujarat. I live and I have been born and brought up in Gujarat, but my native is in Bihar. Okay, so my parents, they are from Bihar, and I have, because I have been born and brought up in Gujarat, so I speak Gujarati. I sing garba, I dance in a Gujarati garba style and everything. And even when you'll hear me talking in Gujarati, आपको ऐसे लगेगा कि ये कोई गुजराती बात कर रही है. But that is not the case. I am also familiar with my mother tongue, that is Mathili. Those of you who don't know what Mathili is a dialect which is which is spoken in Bihar. That is Mathili. So it is amazing, for this is also a great time कि है ना आप a great thing कि अगर आपको communication में और skilled होना है, you should be multilingual. You should know at least more than one language or two languages, like English and Hindi. उसके साथ कोई और regional language अगर आपको आती है. Like I know 4 languages: English, Hindi, Gujarati, and Mathili. These are the 4 languages that I know completely. But I understand Marathi. Okay, I can also speak a little bit of Marathi. I can understand a little bit of Bengali also, but not much. Great. Okay. Wow, someone here knows Mathili. Very nice. Very nice. So every one of you have joined this organization, that is International Institute of SDG and Public Policy Research. So what was the reason? आप यहाँ पे क्या काम करते हैं? आपने कहा अगर आप intern हैं और ये सब है, तो what is your job? What do you do here? Why did you choose this organization? Anyone can go ahead and say it. It's not, अब सबको नहीं बोलना है, कोई भी एक आके बोल दो तो भी चलेगा.
Initially, I joined this firm for the HR role.
Yeah.
Because I thought, from being from a BBA background, I should know the gist of every department that exists. But currently, I am under the business analytics department because sir briefed about it to us. So I was more interested in that. So right now I am under business analytics.
That is great. Very nice. Yeah. You're pursuing something that you're also studying. It's very nice. You're applying your knowledge here. That is amazing. Very nice. Anyone else would like to answer, or should I move on?
Yeah, I also joined the firm. Like I always wanted to explore the field of an analyst, and when I saw that they were offering an internship of growth analyst, so I applied. And when the first session happened, they told us like things about how are we going to go on with the internship and other things like that. So I kind of thought that this would be a like nice experience if I continue here. So yeah, that's why I'm here.
Very good. Very nice. Perfect reason to join this. Okay, so moving on. So थोड़ा सा theory जैसा हम कर लेते हैं, only a basic idea about what communication is. Okay, so communication, as we discussed further, it is exchange of ideas, messages, and information between two or more people through a medium. Okay, in excuse me for a minute. Okay, I'm just getting a call. I have to take it. Just a minute. Okay, yeah, sorry for that interruption. Okay, so as I was saying, communication is an exchange of ideas, messages, information between two or more people through a medium in a manner that the sender and the receiver understand the message in the common sense. That is, that they develop a common understanding of the message. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं आपसे कुछ बोल रही हूँ और आप मुझसे कुछ सुन रहे हैं, तो हम दोनों का ऐसा हो कि अच्छा, if I'm talking about dogs and you feel that she's talking about cats, that is not effective communication. You have to understand that a common sense, a common understanding of the message should be same for both the sender and the receiver. So this हर एक term, जैसे communication is a term, इन सबका etymology देखना बहुत important है. Etymology is about the dissection of the word, that where did this word come from. So communication is a word that is derived from a Latin word. Okay, that is communicare. Communicare is a Latin word which meant to share, to participate, to exchange, or to transmit, or to make something common. इसका emphasis इस बात पे था that you share some common information, ideas, and messages. It was not just about issuing orders or instructions or commands or something. You have to share some common information, ideas, and messages. Okay, now communication is a two-way process. It's very important to remember that why communication is a two-way process. It is two-way process of exchanging ideas or information. One person alone cannot carry out communication. जैसे अभी मैं कुछ बात कर रही हूँ तो आप लोग अभी शांत बैठे हैं, इसको हम communication नहीं कहेंगे. इसको हम कहेंगे either giving a lecture or giving a speech or delivering a certain sort of a message or talking. Now when I asked you to communicate or when I asked you to introduce yourself, आपने साथ साथ में introduce किया ना अपने आप को, that was communication because it was a two-way process. Here two people, yani you and I, you all and I, we were carrying out the communication process, the entire conversation. So when you communicate, there has to be a receiver or an audience that would reciprocate. Now why is this point important and why am I emphasizing on it? अक्सर हमने सुना होता है कि बोलते हैं कि अरे ये तो पागल है, ये तो अपने आप में कुछ भी बातें करते रहता है. Why do we say कि अपने आप में बात करने वाला पागल होता है? क्योंकि that is not effective communication. Okay, यहाँ पे communication तभी हो सकता है when an audience is there or when someone is there that would reciprocate. Okay, now when I was little, I am a single child, no brothers and sisters, so I had built up a habit of talking to the fridge or talking to the TV set or talking to my toy or something. Now, even though I felt कि वो मुझसे कुछ कह रहे हैं, I used to assume their replies. मैं उनको communication नहीं कहूँगी, मैं उनको कहूँगी कि मैं खेल रही थी मेरे TV के साथ या fridge के साथ और ये सब के साथ. Because there was no reciprocity, there would be no communication. Okay, so if you have an audience or a receiver, then only you can communicate. Then only communication can be considered complete. Now, communication is considered effective only when it achieves the desired reaction or response from the receiver. This is also very important to know. Okay, the response can be the positive or negative, and you have to just know कि हम कुछ अगर बात कर रहे हैं तो उसका response आना important है, तभी communication को complete माना जाता है. So when you say that okay, so for example, it has happened in a lot of online classes that I've attended. People just logged in or joined the meeting or joined the session and they left. So a teacher would be just asking the question, yeah, hello, please respond, please respond, please respond. तो ये communication को हम effective नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि उनके सामने से कोई response ही नहीं आ रहा था. तो ऐसा लगता कि आधे लोग तो कैमरा वगैरह सब बंद करके सो गए हैं, ऐसा आ रहा था. तो उनका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पुअर कहा जाता है, क्योंकि अगर आप कुछ कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं और आपका कुछ रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता तो उसको कम्युनिकेशन को इनकम्प्लीट कहा जाता है. Now, this is a very important definition. Don't worry, I'm going to share all the notes with you. But the Oxford Dictionary, unka communication ka definition is very clear. Okay, the imparting or exchange of information. एक सेकेंड. हाँ, चलो निकलते हैं. अभी ना 10 मिनट. 5 मिनट निकलते हैं. Okay, so.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sorry for interruption. My battery is going low. Can I leave?
Oh yeah, sure. Okay, just a minute. हाँ, मुझे देखने दो कितना टाइम बाकी है. Okay, anyway, less than a minute is left. You all can leave. We'll meet after someone sends you a link of the meeting or something. Until then, I'll circulate these notes. Don't worry at all. And I'm looking forward to having a fun session of communication with you. हम पहले कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, थोड़ा एक्टिंग वगैरह करेंगे, थोड़ा सीखेंगे, and then we'll go to business communication and it'll be a lot of fun. Okay, so what purpose this session is, because I don't know about this. Hi Naz, I am also interning with this organization. It's my first day here. But communication का purpose ये है कि life में अगर कहीं भी professionalism को implement करना है तो उसके लिए effective communication आना ज़रूरी है. वरना जिसके communication skills poor होते हैं उनको अपना goal achieve करने में भी काफ़ी problem होती है. So that is why the purpose of this session is just building upon your personality. That is all I can say. Okay, so yeah, just a minute. Can you all switch on your cameras for a minute or so? Or even if you don't, just a minute. Yeah. Hello, nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Okay, so you all can start leaving the group and we'll proceed further after